A deepfake is a photo, audio, or video of a person in which their body or face has been manipulated by machine learning and artificial intelligence to make it appear to be someone or something that they are not. And in this video, I'm going to walk you guys through on everything you need to know about deepfake. I'm going to show you guys the sites that I've been using all this while to face swap my picture or to face swap my video. I'm going to show you guys everything you need to know about this very site. The name of this site is Faceswapper. This site is one of the sites that you can actually use for face swapping and video swapping, and it's also a deepfake site. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to do, the steps that you're going to take. I'm going to show you guys real life example of how I was able to swap my face, which you are seeing on that thumbnail, how I was able to change my face to any face of mine, how I was able to change my face or speech or voice to any celebrity, president, Elon Musk, Morgan Freeman, anybody of your choice. You can actually do that. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys everything in this video, so pay very close attention. So now that I've talked about that, I'm going to get straight to showing you guys the step by step on how you're going to do that. But before that, if after watching this video, seeing the steps, and you decide that you want to use this face swapper, what I recommend to do here is the easiest way for you to go there is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below the description of this video. That's the link to Faceswapper official website. If you use that very link, you actually go to their site and get started. So right here, right now, if after watching this video you found this video very useful, don't forget to leave me a like in this video, and I'm going to appreciate that. Don't forget to ask me any question down below in the comment section, and I'm going to be there to answer all the questions. So let's get started. So right here is one of the work that I was able to do. That's the thing that you're seeing on the thumbnail. I was able to change my face to that of this guy. That's Morgan Freeman. But I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do that. So what you're going to do here is that it has a credit. First of all, go to your browser, search for faceswapper.ai. That's the correct spelling. Faceswapper.ai, the one that you're seeing on the screen right now. Then if you come here, you're going to be seeing the features that it has. Face swap online free, multiple face swap, clothes face swap, video swap online. So just come here, click on this very place, enter the site. So right here is how the interface looks like. At the top, you're going to be seeing faceswap.ai. You're going to be seeing everything, more online tools. This is where you're going to click on all these things: affiliates, pricing, sign up for free, sign in. So you're going to be seeing that it automatically at a default level has 6 credits, and this credit actually requires the amount of picture or video that you can actually swap. One swap image is for 1 credit, 3 is for 1 video. So you're actually going to do that, or better still, just go pay for the subscription and use the very plans. So right here is how the interface looks like. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on this sign up for free. If you click on this sign up for free, then you're going to click on everything here. You're going to put in your username, put in your password. I'm just going to do that, and after you are done with everything, the next thing that you're going to see is for you to sign in and verify your email. Then if you sign in and verify your email, then you're going to be seeing this place. If you come to this place, you're going to see that I have a credit of 9. Before I showed you guys 6, but right now it's 9. But this is not 9, this is actually 10. But just that I've already swapped a picture of mine with Morgan Freeman. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to do that. So what you're going to do is that you're going to come to this more online tools. Then if it is that you want to just swap face or video, just go for this face. I'm going to go with face. If I click on face here, then you're going to be seeing the face. So now that you've come here, what you're going to do if you want to swap any face, if you want to face swap any picture of yours, is that if you come to this very place, remember what I just showed you, come to this more online tools, then click on this face swap. Then you're going to come here, then you're going to add your own image. Right here, I'm going to just find an image of mine and add. So let's go with this one that I'm wearing Manchester United clothes. Then I'm going to come here to this add your targeted image. That's the face of the person that I want to swap with. Then I'm just going to come here. I've already done a Freeman Morgan, so I'm just going to go with this Ragnarok. That's the actor, the protagonist of Vikings. Then if I click on it, then the next thing that I'm going to click is for me to click on this start face swap. Then if I click on it, I'm just going to give it some time, a little seconds, and after everything, it's actually going to load. So right here, you're going to see that my face is actually similar to that of Ragnar Lothbrok. You're going to see that I've actually face swapped this very image. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just come here and click on this download, and I'm going to download this very picture. There's this very image. Then I'm going to go to my browser. If I go to my browser, I'm going to check on download, and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about here. You're going to see that I've actually done this. You're going to see how everything works here. So guys, this is the number 1 way of how you're going to face swap any picture. You're going to see that here at the up here, my credit has actually decreased to 8. So now that I've shown you guys how you can actually face swap to any video or image of your choice, If you want to also do it on a video, what you're going to do is for you to come to this more online tool. You're going to come to this place where you're going to see video face swap. Then click on this video face swap. If you click on it, then you're going to add your own image and add any targeted video. So you're going to click on this start video swapping, and we're going to swap to your own face. That's exactly how you're going to do this without any issue, without any hard work. So guys, this is exactly how you're going to do this. Follow these steps that I've actually shown you here, and you're going to do that. So now that I've talked about that, as I said earlier, if after watching this video, seeing these steps, and you decide you want to use this face swapper, what I recommend you do is for you to use the link. That's the link to the official website that I'm going to be dropping down below the description of this video. That's a very, very way much easier and faster way for you to go there without you getting into any scam or anything. So guys, let's just get back to our normal videos. So now that I've shown you guys the steps that I was able to take in order for me to face swap my face to any celebrity or any person of my choice, and you've seen how I was able to do that on a video. So right here in this video, I'm going to just point out some important information and some important points that you need to know in order for you to be convinced enough to use this very deep fake. So about this face swapper, you're going to see that everything is actually very, very easy for you to do and understand, even if you're a beginner. You can see how I was able to explain everything, show you guys the step-by-step guide, how I was able to download pictures, how I was able to change it to any face of my choice. I was able to change my face to Morgan Freeman's face. Their interface is very, very easy for you to understand, and that's something that I would love to mention here, so just you know what you're going to expect. So when it comes to how efficient their site is very, very good and excellent. So now that I've talked about that, I'm just going to tell you guys what I don't really like about this face swapper. So about this face swapper, the first thing that I don't like is the fact that it's dependent on AI. Everything is about AI. The video generator, the face swap is about AI, but I don't really see that as an issue because it actually delivers. Aside that, the next thing that I don't like about this face swapper and all of these deep fake sites actually suffers from it is the fact that there are some fakes out there. There are some guys who build similar sites like these sites, and they're going to use it to scam people or to lure people out of the major team. So if you're not that internet wise, or even if you're a beginner on the internet, or even if you're intermediate or advanced, what I recommend you do here if you want to be on a safer site is for you to go to your browser, search for www.faceswapper.com or faceswapper.ai, and you're going to see them. Or better still, if you don't want to get confused about this, all you need to do is for you to use the link that I'm going to be dropping. That's the link to their official website. Use that link. The link is going to be on the description of this video. Use that very link to go to their official website. That will be much way easier and faster and safer for you to go there. So now that I've talked about that, when it comes to my final recommendation, when it comes to whether or not this face swapper is actually good, yes, I recommend face swapper to you guys. They deliver, they are good, and they are safe. They are 100% legit. I've used them for some time for some activities, and I haven't experienced anything like account lagging or account ban or anything of such. I recommend them to you guys. If you decide that you want to use them, use the link that I'm going to be dropping down below in the description of this video. Go there, do some activities, change some faces, change some videos, and I'm with you. So now that I've talked about that, I'm going to call this a full review here. Don't forget to leave me a like in this video, and I'm going to appreciate, okay? If you happen to have any question pertaining to this deep fake or face swapper, or if you happen to ask me any question based on one or two things that you want me to talk about, I'm there to answer all the questions. I'm there to do the video. Do have a nice day, guys. Peace out.